Welcome all of you. In the today's video, we are going to cover Python conditional statements. Yes, so open Anaconda Navigator. As you know, in the Python conditional statement, there is a if statement, there is a elif statement which is known as else if, and the last statement is a else. So click on launch, then click on desktop, Python, create new file. Now save it as a Python if statement. Then so let's declare two variable, that is x is equal to 100 and y is equal to 50. Now if you want to check that x is greater than y or not, so you have to use if statement. One more thing, I see that many students have fear related to the Python if statements and Python loop because there is a no bracket, there is a no curly braces. Like if you see the for loop or the if statement in C++, Java, there are curly braces, but in the Python there is a no curly bracket. So they use indentation rule. So how to follow that indentation rule? You have to write in something like this: if x is greater than y, then you make sure you have to add colon, and for the indentation rule you have to press enter, and make sure if you write something like this, if then print x is larger, you will get error. What is the error? Indentation error. If this error come, then what you have to do, you just have to go to the backside and this print enter, or you can use tab keyword. So if I run this program, then I will get x is larger. So this is a very simple if statement. If you want to use else statement, that is x is larger, if x is not larger, then y will be larger. Then you have to write down something like this: else, again colon, make sure you write else statement inside, like below this I and e must be in the same line. Okay, so else print y is larger. If I run it again, then I will get x is larger. If I change y value to the 500 and again run this program, then I will get y is larger. What if x and y value are both value are equal? In that time, we have to introduce else if. We use else if in C, C++, C++ and Python also, but instead of else if, they use word elif. Else if is nothing but else if. So make sure elif, else and I, this IEE must be on same line. So if I write down x equal to y, then print both values are equal. First of all, we run that, then we'll get y is greater. Then again, I'm writing x value is 500, and again I'm running this program. Not both, is both value are equal. Then we will get both values are equal. So this is how you can integrate conditional if, else and elif statement into the Python. Now there is a one more thing, that is nested if. What are nested if? Suppose my x value is 100, y value is 500, and I'm to check if x is greater than 10, then after this 10 I'm again writing if statement. If x is greater than y, then print x is larger, and else you have to print y is largest. So what is this statement? First of all, we have to check that x value is greater than 10 or not. If x value is greater than 10, then our compiler move inside this and they check the condition x value is greater than y. If this condition is true, then we will go into the x is larger. If this condition is false, then we will see the else statement. So run this program and you will get y is larger. So x is greater than 10, yes. Then if x is greater than y, that is no. That's why we get answer y is larger. You can also add else if into this. Elif x equal to y, then print both are equal. If you run this program, and again writing x is equal to 500, y is equal to 500, you will see both are equal. So guys, this is how you can integrate a conditional statement in Python. Make sure you just have to follow this indentation rule. If you see error something like this, then you will get indentation. That is nothing but you have misplaced some spaces. So make sure you always follow the indentation rule in the Python. So that's for today video. Thank you guys. Subscribe our channel and click bell icon to get more updates.